I'm learning to fly, baby. Thought I'd put on a video. Going across 2-kilometer bridge. 35 degrees. 99% humidity. I'm sweating to death. But I'm learning to fly. I'm learning to fly. Got wings. I just got 2 wheels. Coming down is the hardest thing. The good old days, they won't return for me. And the seas will burn. And then you disappear. Boom. Learning to fly. I got wings. I got 2 wheels. Coming down. I'm going down. It's the hardest thing. You guys should all learn to fly. Tom, we love you. Bob, we love you.